Hey there, my name is Rohit Kumar, and today we are going to discuss another very important data set, and its name is common objects in context. So normally common objects in context go from common and go from context. Hence this name COCO comes, and it's a Microsoft data set. So it is a large collection object detection and the segmentation related data set. It consists of more than 300K plus images, and there is a well-defined split of the training as well as the validation and test images. So if you go into the details, then you can explore the kind of other things which are available with respect to this particular data set. So here you can have this particular idea means what is a COCO. So here it is written COCO is a large scale object detection, segmentation and captioning data set. And these are some of the specific features like the recognition in context, 1.5 million object instances, 91 stuff categories. So I think a quite wide data set it is, and you can use it for number of purposes. And as there is always a kind of liberty with large data sets that you can create, and means you can have your own subsets. So if you want to have some sort of small data set, then you can apply your own filtering criteria, and then you can define, or you can pre-process this particular data set, and then you can use according to your wish. So some of the challenges and the workshops also do get organized with respect to the COCO, and these are the sponsors is CVDF, Microsoft, Facebook, and Mighty AI. The relevant research paper is also available here, and the kind of collaborators and the people who are contributing actively, those are also given here. So if you are interested, you can contact, and then you can have the kind of some of the dataset examples. So I think it's a quite useful dataset where a lot of people are involved. These are the details, and then in terms of dataset, you can have the overview or the exploration, downloading external, in the terms of related links are available, means how to use, etc. Every guideline is available. Then the kind of tasks that you can perform, so the detection key point, then panoptic and other related stuffs are detailed here. Then with respect to the evaluation, then the data format, result format, test guidelines, etc. The links are available here. So I think you can have, and means identify the main kind of features and the different specifications of this particular data set. And additionally, if you want any more information, then you can go and have a check in the respective papers which have used this particular data set. So number of papers I have used this particular data set. For example, YOLO version 3 is discussed. It's an incremental improvement based paper, and it uses this particular data set. Then the speed and accuracy trade-off for modern convolutional object detectors is another paper. Additionally, the context RCNN means the long-term temporal context for the three-camera object detection uses this particular data set. So in this way, lots of papers I have used this particular data set for their specific purposes. Additionally, means when we say that what are the kind of things, so you can have with this particular data set. So as we have already discussed, like detection, segmentation, so the object detection you can apply, and then the kind of some instance segmentation or the panoptic segmentation you can do with this particular data set. Now, when we say the kind of data, so the modality of this particular data set is image based, and the language and the license related information can also be obtained. Okay. Now, the other data sets closely related to with this particular data set include the LIVIS, means LVIS, then the RAV-COCO and the Flickr 30K. So you can go and have an exploration of these particular data sets also if you are interested. Now coming to specifically the details of this particular data set. So with respect to object detection, the bounding boxes and the pre-instance segmentations masks are available with 80 object categories. Then with respect to captioning, the dataset has the annotation for the natural language descriptions of the images. Then key point detection related annotation, if we talk about, then it contains more than 200,000 images and 250,000 person instance labeled with key points. So in this way, you can have a general idea that what kind of opportunities this particular data set provides you. So if you are interested, have a detailed exploration, I would suggest, and read at least 2 or 3 papers related to this particular data set which have used or the kind of basic paper related to this particular data set. So that's the analysis from my side for this particular data set. If you didn't like anything, please comment down below and criticize this particular video and let us know how we can improve our future videos. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.